Hi there, welcome, and thanks for choosing Class Creative's complete character creation guide, Intro to PBR Assets for Games. In this foundational course, we will be covering the fundamentals of character modeling, where we will cover the following core skill sets, from sculpting to optimization and texturing, all the way up to character setup. We will be utilizing the latest software packages that the top-tier gaming studios of today use to create all of your favorite titles. The software packages that we will be covering are Zbrush, Maya, Substance Painter, the Unity Game Engine, and Marmoset Toolbag. Now the great thing about this course is that it has something in store for everyone. Whether you're just a beginner, interested in character creation, or a master professional looking to brush up on your current skill set, this course has material you surely won't want to miss. As with all Class Creative courses, we laid out a structure that covers a full spectrum of the industry standard character workflows from start to finish. Please remember, if this is your first time creating a 3D character, we highly recommend that you follow the outline carefully. According to how our instructors have structured the course, we wouldn't want you to miss out on any of the details. However, if you're an advanced user and are looking for something specific to add to your repertoire, feel free to dive in and skip to any sections you'd like to focus on. With that, let's get down to the module breakdown and take a deeper dive into the course outline. In the first module, we will be going over the project specifications, importance of reference, and design sculpting theory. In the second module, we'll get started in Zbrush and get a better understanding of how to maneuver around the package. For the third module, we will cover base mesh sculpt creation and how Zbrush handles digital clay through their foundational tools. In the fourth module, we will sculpt major facial features and take our characters to the next level. We'll begin a rapid prototype of facial structure and accessories that make up our character. In Module 5, we will prepare our sculpt for the final polishing stages and production-ready sculpting. This will include prepping the sculpt for subdivisions and finalizing the form through secondary and tertiary detailing. In the sixth module, with our sculpt complete, we will export all assets to begin the optimization process. Going into the seventh module, we'll switch packages and work with Maya to learn the core fundamentals of the software and utilize its powerful retopology tools. In Module 8, we will continue learning Maya as we take a deep dive into understanding the core techniques of the UV unwrapping process. In the ninth module, we will learn the baking process, prepping the necessary maps to utilize Substance Painter's tools. In the 10th module, we will start PBR texturing inside a Substance Painter with the power of smart materials. In Module 11, we will import our character into a real-time engine, Unity, and finish the character setup. In the 12th module, we cover Marmoset Toolbag for your presentation needs and begin wrapping up the character creation course. In closing, please feel free to take a look at the course description outline for a more detailed description of the material covered. Enroll today and begin your journey to the exciting creative world of character art. We look forward to seeing you in class.